You might recognize Mason Thames as the kid who stole the show, and quite a few scares, in The Black Phone. Or maybe you're already seen him ride a dragon in the live-action How to Train Your Dragon, where he's playing the iconic Hiccup. At just a teenager, this rising star is already headlining major films. And behind him, yes, a supportive family. Let's start with Dad, Daniel Chad Thames. Not much is known about what he does now, but we do know he graduated from Texas Tech University. These days, it seems like his full-time job is supporting Mason and his siblings. Call him chauffeur, cheerleader, or behind-the-scenes superhero. Now meet Mom, Elizabeth Rapp Thames. You've probably seen her on red carpets next to Mason, working the premiere circuit like a seasoned pro. Some say she might be his manager. Others say she's just a really organized mom. Next up, Sister Brooke Madison Thames, a ballet dancer who could probably pirouette her way through a tornado and still land gracefully. She's elegant, disciplined, and has her own spotlight, just on a very different kind of stage. And then there's Josh Thames. Not much is publicly known about him, except that he appears in a family photo and might be Mason's older half-brother. If you know more, please share in the comments. That is all. Tell us what you think.